Breaking stock news. New York Stock Exchange, TUYA. Large portion of Tuya's customers on Amazon.com violated terms of use. After the call with analysts and investors, analysts estimated that the Amazon bans would negatively affect Tuya's 2021 second half revenues by 10%, and that 20% of all Tuya IoT-enabled devices were sold through online channels such as Amazon. By August 2022, Tuya American Depositary shares had dropped below $2 per American Depositary shares. 90% below the price at which Tuya American Depositary shares were sold to the investing public in the IPO. As of August 9, 2022, the price of Tuya American Depositary shares has remained significantly below the IPO price. Investors, did you purchase or otherwise acquire Tuya American Depositary shares in or traceable to the company's March 2021 initial public offering? The lawsuit, filed in the Southern District of New York, seeks to recover shareholders' losses with no out-of-pocket cost. The class action alleges that A material portion of Tuya's China-based customers were engaged in the widespread and systematic manipulation of reviews and product offerings in violation of Amazon.com's terms of use. B. Prior to the initial public offering, a consumer investigation and data breach had exposed an illicit fake review scheme being perpetrated by many of Tuya's clients, among others, which included, inter alia, the exposure of 13 million records of organized fake review scams linked to over 200,000 Amazon account profiles. C. As a result of A and B, there was a substantial risk that a material portion of Tuya's significant customers would be barred from using Amazon.com's platform, negatively impacting Tuya's business, revenue, earnings, and prospects, and D. As a result of A, 2, C, the registration statement's representations regarding Tuya's historical financial and operational metrics and purported market opportunities and expected growth did not accurately reflect the actual business, operations, financial results, and trajectory of the company at the time of the initial public offering, and such statements were materially false and misleading and lacked a reasonable factual basis. Investors who suffered losses on Tuya shares only have until October 11, 2022 to request that the court appoint you as a lead plaintiff. Acting as a lead plaintiff is not a requirement to participate in monetary recovery, but you must meet the deadline to be considered as a lead plaintiff. One law office is fighting for shareholders' rights in this court case, and that is New York-based law firm Vincent Wong. Below this video is a link to register your details and losses. And they wanted us to report that any prior results do not guarantee similar outcomes, and this may be considered attorney advertising under the laws of your states. As a shareholder, you deserve to be informed and your investments protected. This stock news channel only delivers relevant stock information that directly affects stockholders. Subscribe and be informed.